Suicide is the leading cause of death in Australians aged 15 to 44. In our ex-defence community, the rates of suicide are significant. Ex-serving men between 2013 and 2015 had a 37% higher rate of suicide. Ex-serving men under the age of 30 have a suicide rate 2.2 times higher than Australian men of the same age. 41% of suicides in the male veteran population were aged 18 to 29. The highest suicide rate among ex-serving men and women is associated with younger age, involuntary or medical discharge, and a shorter length of service. Males aged between 18 and 29 who have discharged from the Defence Force are most at risk, particularly during their 12-month transition period post-discharge. This is a very real problem, and this is where Operation Compass comes in. Operation Compass is one of 12 national suicide prevention trial sites funded by the Commonwealth Government Department of Health, and is the only project focused exclusively on veterans of the ADF and their families. Townsville is Australia's largest regional garrison city, with both Army and Air Force, and has the greatest ratio of military personnel to civilian population in Australia. Together with their families, the Defence Force community represents 20% of the Townsville community. Operation Compass is a community-based campaign seeking to address the suicide rate within our ex-ADF community across Townsville and North Queensland. Operation Compass operates through the Northern Queensland Primary Health Network and delivered by a dedicated team of people comprising ex-ADF members, health industry professionals, and those with lived experience in suicide and suicide prevention in the ex-ADF community. Our project objectives are to reduce the rates of suicide and increase well-being within our ex-ADF community and their families through connection to life in Townsville post-ADF, and to ensure the sustainability of successful Operation Compass projects through integration into long-term local veterans support programs. Operation Compass is chaired by retired Lieutenant General John Caligari. Operation Compass involves a series of suicide prevention campaigns based on research by the Black Dog Institute. At the end of the trial, Operation Compass will present their learnings and recommendations to the federal government. This project has grown significantly since the formation of our steering committee, advisory groups and implementation teams, growing along the way through our advocates, peer support networks and volunteers. The Operation Compass community has expanded through our Community Grants project, where 10 grant recipients joined us to become ambassadors, spreading Operation Compass through their own networks. Our Check Your Mates campaign has been a resounding success online, growing our community even further. The campaign encourages our community to check on at least 5 of their mates in 3 simple steps: connect to others, yarn to listen, and motivate to act. The Check Your Mates campaign has seen more than 600,000 connections online, crossing borders and waters, with our reach extending right across the country and even around the world, encouraging people near and far to check their mates. To learn more about this, visit our website at opcompass.org.au or find and follow us on social media. If you or someone you know needs help or someone to talk to, get in touch today.